Hi everyone, welcome back to Monday Medz Health Nuggets. I'm your host, Tanisha Lawrence, with Monday Medz Health and Wellness Ministry. So, yes, we have been sharing with you the Let's Go Nuts series. And as promised, we will share with you some nuts recipes. However, before we do that, we would love to let you know that this week, our ministry, Monday Medz Health and Wellness Ministry, we celebrate 7 awesome years of God's faithfulness. Yes, 7 years of serving God's people through the health ministry. Thank you so much to all you listeners out there for listening to our features each week and also for the feedback that you have given. Thank you also to all our partners who are out there. Thank you so much for all our supporters, all our viewers on our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your encouragement and your love and support over the years. Whether you just started listening to us or whether you have been listening for almost a year now, or even if you were there from the start, thank you so much. We are so happy to serve you. And by God's grace, we look forward to another 7 years until Jesus comes. Are you ready for these nut recipes? Keep listening. We'll be sharing 2 nut recipes with you. However, if you don't get a chance to write them down, you can check our YouTube channel for the nut recipes. So, let's go nuts and try some nut recipes. So, many of you know that peanuts are great. Like we shared on our first feature on the Let's Go Nuts series, peanut is the nut of all nuts. And why not share the first recipe on peanut? So, can you guess what recipe I would be sharing using peanuts? If you said peanut butter, you are absolutely right. So yes, we are going to share with you a simple way of making peanut butter with 7 easily accessible ingredients. So this is what you would need to make natural peanut butter. 1.5 cups of peanuts, 1/4 cup sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and water. Here is the method. Roast peanuts and sesame seeds separately. Sesame seeds will burn fast because of their size, so it would not be wise to roast them with the peanuts. Allow them to cool. Then blend them along with the garlic powder, onion powder, and salt until smooth. Pour mixture into a mixing bowl and add honey. Add water, a tablespoon at a time, to obtain a spread. So you would probably need 2 or 3 tablespoons for this peanut butter. And there you have it. That's natural peanut butter. If you try it, be sure to tell us on our YouTube channel, Monday Medz Health and Wellness Ministry, if you tried this peanut butter and how you liked it. And this peanut butter is adapted from the book In My Backyard: Powerful Herbs and Foods of the Caribbean, Part 1. This book is by the Rileys. Can you guess which nut we will be using for the next recipe? If you said cashew or cashew, you are right. So let's do cashew mayonnaise. You will need 2 cups of warm water, 3/4 cup of cashews, 3 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, preferably sea salt. Here's the method. Blend all ingredients until smooth. Bring to a gentle boil, maintaining a constant stir until thickened. Add lemon juice and allow to cool. Adapted from the book In My Backyard: Powerful Herbs and Foods of the Caribbean, Part 1. This book is by the Rileys. And that's your cashew mayonnaise. And this can be used as a dressing, or you can use it as a spread, however you like it. So yes, there you have it. 2 all-natural recipes made with nuts. So let's go nuts. In an upcoming feature, we will definitely share with you one of our favorites, which is mac and cheese using nuts. So stay tuned. If you would like to donate and support the work we are doing, please do not hesitate to contact us. You can reach us at our telephone number 1-877-837-7758. That's 1-877-837-7758. You can also contact us via email at mondaymedz777@gmail.com. That is Monday Medz, MEDZ, Medz 777@gmail.com. You can also reach us through our YouTube channel at Monday Medz Health and Wellness Ministry. Monday MEDZ Medz Health and Wellness Ministry. There in the description section of our videos, you can find how you can support us via Cash App or Zelle. For more details, you could contact us via our telephone number or email, and we will be happy to direct you accordingly. Thank you so much for your support and feedback. We surely appreciate you, and it does encourages us and help us to know how we can serve you better. As we wrap up Monday Medz Health Nuggets today, I am so grateful. Like the prophet Jeremiah reminded us in Lamentations 3, for your mercies are new every morning. Great is thy faithfulness. So as you go throughout today, I pray that you will acknowledge the faithfulness of God, our Heavenly Father, in your life. Have an awesome day, everyone, and God be with you. See you soon.